Welcome to our tutorial on using the AVERAGEIF function in Excel. This powerful function allows you to quickly calculate average values in a selected area, based on specific criteria. In our last video, we taught you how to calculate an average in Excel. But what if you only want to calculate the average for certain data in your table? For example, let's say you want to find the average number of sales made only in the Western region. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to do just that. To get started, select the cell where you want the result to appear. In this example, we'll use cell C15. Type the equal sign and start typing AVERAGEIF. Excel will offer several average functions, but we want to select the AVERAGEIF function, so double-click on it. Now it's time to enter some information. First, you'll need to specify the range, the area of cells where you want Excel to search for data. In this case, we want to search in the region column, so we'll select all the data in that column and add a semicolon. Next, we need to specify the criteria, what exactly we're looking for. Since we want to find the average of sales from the West region, we'll type West in quotation marks followed by a semicolon. Finally, we need to select the area containing the values to be averaged. In this case, we'll select the sales column. Once you've entered all the information, close the brackets, hit enter, and voila! Excel will calculate the average of all sales made in the West region. By using the AVERAGEIF function, you can quickly and easily calculate average values for specific data in your Excel table. It's a powerful tool that can save you lots of time and effort. So, go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.